Good morning, children. Today we are going to draw oil pastel another scenery. Okay, this one is very different and new technique also. So hope so you will like it. Okay, for this you need oil pastel colors, sketch pen, cotton and wet cloth. Not waste cloth, wet cloth we need it. Okay. So we will start our drawing. See. I am drawing it dark because in few videos my drawing is not visible. So you have to draw light, okay? Now another mountain. A tree. Small trees. Understood? Now clouds. If you want to draw sun, you can draw it. Lines we will do with the sketch pen. Clouds. Okay, now here we will draw a small pond on that boats. Understood? Like a cloud shape and inside boat. Done with the drawing now? Now we will outline with, now first we will erase it very lightly, okay? Now I'll show you. See it, I erase it very lightly. You can see it. Understood? Now we will make lines with the sketch pen. Done with the branches. Now we will take light green, and we have seen a tree having two colors, light and dark green. So one we will do light green, another dark, then light, dark, light and dark. Okay, like that we will move. Now this also we will do light green. Understood? And now this mountain also we will do dark green. See, done now. Now for sun, and now we will make a line, zigzag lines. Okay, now we will take a sky blue sketch pen and make a cloud. Understood? With the light blue sketch pen we will make pond also. Inside also lines. And boat we will make with the brown. Any color you will like, not a specifically brown. Any color you like to make boat, you can make for that. Understood? Now we will fill color. Okay, now see how we have to fill color. First, always we will start from the upper part. Okay, so we will take a light blue color and we will see from where I am holding the color, back side, right? So very lightly we have to move it. We have to fill, see, in the between of the tree also. This much light you have to move. Okay, sky you have to do full like this. See children, done with the blue color now. Now you have to take cotton. Okay, now you have to see, rub it. Automatically the paper color is hiding, right? White color is not visible as much. See the mixing, the smoothing here and here. See the difference, right? The whole you have to do with the cotton. See children, while doing this cotton now, if we will feel that here is dark and here is light now, so you can do it again. Take your color and rub it again and then do it with the cotton. Understood? That side also we have to complete. Now see, done with the blue now. See now, inside the tree and sun and cloud, little blue color has gone. So you have to take eraser and rub it. It will be not go completely, but little it will be lighter than before. See? Now see, it is done now. Not gone completely, but it is lighter than previous. Okay, now we have to take black sketch pen and we have to make eyes and smiley on the sun. Understood? Now again we will take sky blue oil pastel color and very darkly we will do inside the cloud. See, done in the clouds, dark we have done. Okay, now we will do inside the tree. Where is the light green? Where is the light green outline we have done now? On that we will do light green. Okay, here also same, you have to do very lightly. See, done. Now we will take dark green and same we will do the dark green outline. Now again we will rub with the cotton. Light green we will rub different cotton, not with the same cotton, children. Okay, now see the dark green, light green cotton and blue cotton. I have taken different cotton. Due to this cotton is taking the extras color that we done here. Okay, like this you have to do all trees. See, done it. Little bit it will be coming out now with the cotton. It's not an issue, children. Okay, no need to worry about that. Now we will take brown color and darkly we will fill inside the tree. In this we will not use any cotton. See, done with the brown color. Very darkly we have done. See, understood? Now we will take a dark green color and we will move here we will use cotton. Here very careful, children, because we have done the brown color now. Don't mix it brown and green together. Okay, right down we will do light green. See, done light green and dark green. Okay, now we will do very carefully in the dark green. Very carefully near the branch. Okay, don't mix the brown color. See, done it now. How smoothly, and no brown color is mixed with that green. Understood? Now same we will do in light green also with the new cotton. Don't use that same cotton that we done in the trees. Okay, we will take a new cotton and we will rub it. See, we done it. Understood? Again in the pond the green color was gone, so we will rub with the eraser. See, done. Now again sky blue color and we will do very darkly. See, the sketch pen line also not visible now, so don't make it with the sketch pen. Okay, do outer part only. See, done it now. Now we will fill color in the sun. Yellow color, yellow. Okay, now we will fill. Don't fill inside the eyes. Here don't use dark, okay, otherwise the black mark will be hidden by the yellow color. Understood? Now in the boat, light brown color. See, this is brown, and we done in the tree now. That brown color name is Van de Key brown color. Okay, we have to take brown color to do in the boat. See, done. Now the next step is we have to make our finger impression in the drawing. How we will make? Without painting color. With the oil pastel we will make finger on this scenery. How? I will show you. Now see how you will take any color. Okay, for example I am taking red color. What you have to do? See, rubbing in your finger, not to the whole finger. See how much I am using. Completely, don't leave any part of your finger. See how much I done. Okay, now we will paste here, anywhere you will like. Move your finger like this. See, impression was came now. See here it impression didn't came, so again we will keep here and we will move our finger like this. See, now that area is also filled. Now another color. Due to this, take your wet cloth and clean it. See, it's clean now. Now make it finger your dry and different color. What color you like, you can make that. Okay, anywhere of the picture you like. See, now here dots are coming, so you can make like moving your finger. Okay, done it. So you have to make different fingers anywhere. I will show. See children, done with the finger. I done see red color, pink color, dark brown color, blue color, orange, light brown, dark pink, light pink, and again blue. You can repeat the colors also. Okay, now we have to take black pen, black sketch pen, black pen, pencil, whatever you can easily in this you can move it. You can take that. Okay, see, First you have to make outline of your finger impression. See, I done this 3 now. Next, like a cartoon character, you have to make. Some are wearing goggles. Some are like girls. Like that to the all. See, this we can make as a dog. I have keep my finger not a straight, like this I keep my finger. Okay, for this, see, here will be the nose, here will be the smiley, here is the eyes, here is the ear of the dog, little bit mark, and zigzag tail. Okay, and here we can make bird. See, peak of the bird, eyes, zigzag lines. Same to this bird also. Okay, now other character also we will make it. See, done with the character. The 3 cartoon character are like playing, skipping. Okay, here 1 dog, here 2 cartoon character are flying kites, 2 are playing with boats, 1 having 4 balloons, 2 birds and 1 sun. See, like a proper scenery with no painting color, and our finger impression is came by the oil pastel colors. Hope so you like it, children, and try it in the different way also. Like I have drawn so many characters now, you can draw few, and it is like a park scene. You can draw any scene like birthday party scene, any scene you can make it. Okay, thank you.